Hi everyone, I'm April. Welcome to my channel. This is an overall creative channel where you can find music, arts, crafts, DIY projects. If you're the kind of person that likes to do a little bit of this and a little bit of that, then this is the channel for you. Today I want to talk about Slate Coasters. I bought some Slate Coasters at Michael's. I think there were $6.99 for 4 coasters. I painted on a few of them. Bird. I actually had these on my garden table outside. I have a little table with plants and chairs where I like to sit, drink my coffee, and read in the morning. So I did those, but today we're not going to paint. I also wanted to know with these coasters, I was like, what else can I do with them that would be neat and something simple that I can do for gifts? And what better way to give a gift than to personalize it with a picture? So I decided to print off pictures and make some coasters with pictures of the family on them, and I put them on my coffee table, and I've had them for a year. Absolutely love them, and I think now they're going to become some Christmas gifts to some people that I love. So for the sake of this video, I went ahead and printed off pictures of flowers because I love flowers. So here's one of the pictures I'm going to use. I already made the other coasters because I'm going to have them as a set. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to clean off the surface of your coasters. It comes in gritty, dirty. Just make sure any loose grit that's on there you clean off. I use a sponge, a wet sponge, and I just go over it and clean it like that. Then after I do that, I'm going to take the Liquitex Matte Medium and I'm going to paint it onto the surface of the coaster. And make sure you get all of the edges as well. You want to make sure it's completely covered. It's going to look purple when you put it on there, but don't worry, it doesn't dry purple, it dries clear. So lay that on very heavily, especially where you're going to put your picture. You want to make sure when you lay your picture down, you don't have any air pockets there. You want that picture to lay completely flat as if you were putting a vinyl sticker on the car. Like, you want to make sure that there are no bubbles underneath, that it's the picture, the layer of the Liquitex, and it is firmly secured to that coaster. So after you go ahead and you put your Liquitex on your coaster, you're going to center your picture as best as you can. Just put a little bit of extra Liquitex where your picture is going. So I'm going to take that picture and I'm going to center it. I think that's centered. And there's probably a glare in the video. I hope you guys can see that. Okay, you put that picture on there and then you take your Liquitex again and you're gonna go over your picture again. Make sure where the creases meet the slate, you put lots of Liquitex on there. And once that dries, you know, I let mine sit for 24 hours and then I put another layer of Liquitex on and then I let that sit for 24 hours. And once that dries, you're going to want to add a clear coat finish. And I use the indoor-outdoor stuff because, I mean, I put my hot coffees, my cold drinks on my coasters. You know, I've got the other ones that are outside in the elements, and so far they're holding up pretty good. But thank you so much for joining me today. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the information in this video. And I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Bye.